So today we are going to make a delicious oha soup. Oha soup we go Harvard. That's what I'm making today. This is my meat. I add some seasoning. I add some salt to taste, and then I add some water. And I'm going to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. So while it's cooking, I'm going to make my cocoyam. This is my cocoyam. I peel and pound. Yes, after pounding it, I'll add some oil, some red oil into it and stir. Okay. So this is the stockfish I'm going to use for the soup. I add some hot water. I wash with hot water, and it's ready. This is my blended pepper and crayfish. This is my oha, fresh oha soup. I remove it. I cut it. There's uziza. We call it uziza. I don't know what it's called in English. I cut it as well. Now let's start cooking. So this is my meat. It's almost done. I add my stockfish, and I'm going to cook for 20 minutes. No, not 20, like 15, 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. It's almost done. I will add my red oil. I add 3 spoons of red oil, enough, and then stir. And I cover it for like few seconds or few minutes. I add my blended pepper and crayfish, and then I add my seasoning. You can choose a seasoning of your choice. I choose no. I add salt to taste, and I add my cocoyam, my pounded cocoyam mixed with red oil. Then I cover and I allow it to heat for like about 10 minutes, and then I stir. I try to release the coconut with my spoon to make it blend with the soup. Okay, I cover and allow it to boil for a few minutes too, and I add my uziza and oha. Then I add my smoked fish, and my soup is done, almost done. A few minutes. Okay, I stir. I cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Our delicious oha soup.